So what else did you eat?
Eat fruits.
Fruit. Wow, that's yummy. What kind of fruit did you eat?
Apple.
Apple.
Orange.
Orange.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Banana.
Banana. Did you eat banana?
Yes.
Wow, great job, my love. Why can't you just train yourself while I'm resting?
Because I need you there. I need you there to explain. No, seriously.
Coffee and broccoli.
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 Meat.
Meat and broccoli. Are you gonna eat broccoli?
Yucky broccoli.
Good afternoon, welcome back to our channel. It is Thursday and it's currently 5 o'clock ng hapon. Kakatapos ko lang mag-work and we are on our way to pick up Paris. But tingnan nyo sa labas. Hindi na pala siya umuulan. But it's been raining. Tingnan nyo, basang-basa, di ba? Yan, tapos madilim na siya kahit 5 o'clock pa lang. And as always, ako lang mag-isa yung mag-pick up kay baby girl natin kasi ang ating daddy Mike ay he's still working and he is... What are you having, Daddy? Healthy food.
Have a taste.
What's this one, Bob?
That is half an avocado, about a handful of muesli, about 2 or 3 tablespoons of chia seeds.
Yeah.
Fresh strawberries, some fresh blueberries,
Yes.
and almond milk, and a little bit of protein powder.
Okay. So there's a lot
Yes,
of ingredients in that picture.
there sure is.
But yeah, you know what, guys? Daddy and I did a workout again during our lunch break. Oh my God! Super painful na talaga dito, guys. Oh, yung aking dito, yung aking paa. And I nearly vomited again. Which is, yeah, nice. Which is is it a sign that I'm unfit, Daddy?
No, it's a sign that you need some improvement.
That's why I'm unfit.
Everyone's
Oh my
unfit.
God. Yeah, but we've done 40-minute workout, yeah?
Yes. How many calories did you
Together.
burn?
Yeah, and I burned 500 calories.
At an average heart rate of
134?
6.
Huh?
136.
136.
And a maximum heart rate of
173.
178.
Yeah. Oh, well, actually, guys, pinahiram ako ni Daddy ng how do you call that, Daddy?
What?
The one that you put here.
It's a heart rate monitor. Heart rate monitor.
Heart rate monitor, guys. And yeah, it was so cool because, I think it was my first time using that one, so I found it really interesting. Yeah, amazing. Actually, informative. Okay, gives you a lot of information and all. But it was so good. Tomorrow, Friday, see baby Paris and I need to sabay, so I'm not sure if we're going to do workout when Paris. We can do, Bob. Paris can do some workout as well.
Take her for a walk and play.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So there's no workout tomorrow, yeah.
Yeah, unless you want to go belly.
No thanks. Alright, I'm going, Daddy. I'm gonna go pick up Paris. See you later. See you later. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Sobrang ginaw na naman. You know what, guys? Tingnan nyo. It's already 5:13 and tingnan nyo ang aking video. Hindi mag-upload. Like, it's been processing for a long time now. Mga 1 oras na siguro. That never happened to me before. Ewan ko ano nangyayari siguro sa signal. Let's go now, guys. Kaya ang ating baby girl ay naghihintay na. Here's Paris. Say hi to your friends, honey.
Okay.
Like that, wave. What are you eating? Show mommy.
Crackers.
Crackers. Who gave you that?
Sarah.
Sarah Jane.
You?
Did you say thank you? Yes? Good girl. And where's Daddy? Where?
No, raining.
It is raining, my love. It is raining. Hang on. I'll sign you up first. It's raining. Go, 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 go. Thank you. Yeah, it's all good. Yay. Cover your head. Cover your head. Oh no. It's raining. Where's our car?
There was this Paris. It's raining more.
It's raining more. Did you have a nice day?
Yeah.
Yes. Good job.
This eat crackers.
What, eating crackers? Okay. Go in because it's cold. Cold. How are you, Nak? Are you good? Are you good? What did you play today?
Crackers.
Where? Did you play in the sandpit?
Eat pancake.
Oh, did you eat pancake?
Eat crackers.
What's the other one? Crackers, yeah. Pancake and crackers. What else did you eat?
Eat fruits.
Fruit. Wow, that's yummy. What kind of fruit did you eat?
Apple.
Apple,
Orange.
orange,
Strawberry.
strawberry,
Banana.
banana. Did you eat banana?
Yes.
Wow, great job, my love. What's the color of the banana?
Right.
White. How about the skin?
Cheese.
The skin of the banana
Banana.
is yellow. Kiss
Yellow
mama.
eyes. Yellow eyes.
I love you, Paris. Uy. Where's Daddy?
Daddy's cooking deer.
Cooking, yeah.
No, that's cooking deer.
What day is it today, Paris? Thursday.
Stay.
Thursday.
Sisi.
Sisi. Alright, let's go na, anak. Ay, tingnan nyo guys, oh. Hindi na siya umulan. Mag-drizzle-drizzle na lang siya. Tingnan nyo ang sunset. Oh, so nice. Have a look at the sunset na. Can you see? They're all orange. Can you see?
Also, very little.
May pahawak po siya sa kanyang ulo. It's not raining naman. Madilim na guys. It's 6 o'clock na ng gabi. And very nasaba ang ating kwarto. Heater. Tingnan niyo ang ating daddy niya. Come outside. Knock on the door. Call daddy. Call daddy.
Daddy!
Come to dad.
Daddy? Yes? Yeah, she asked me for chip twice in the car.
Did you have fun today? What did you do at school?
She wants chip.
Did you do anything at school?
Hi guys! It's now 7 o'clock ng gabi and si Daddy Mike natin ay magluto na ng dinner. Andito lang ako nakatingin. So as you can see guys sa likod, tingnan nyo, very healthy ang ating dinner tonight. Kasi nga 'di ba, nagbalik Alindog program na kami ni Daddy Mike ngayon. So seriously guys, yung aking mga dito ay sumasakit talaga ngayon guys. Oh. Like kaninang umaga pagkagising ko, I was already hurting. How much more tomorrow morning? I'm just saying about that.
Do you want a massage?
No, you're gonna hurt it more.
You don't want a massage, huh? Okay. Oh, fine. Seeing as though we're offering each other.
Yeah, and you know what guys? Daddy Mike is very strict pagdating sa workout na ganyan. The way he treats me is the way he treats his client. So si Daddy Mike kasi guys, he's a personal trainer.
I treat you with respect.
Huh? Yeah. Does that mean that you don't treat your client with respect? Yeah guys, because he's very parang harsh siya guys sa akin. Like when I'm taking time to rest, parang pinupush niya talaga ako na, no, you gotta do this, you gotta do that. You only have 20 seconds.
When you're taking too much time to rest.
You can only have 20 seconds.
A minute. Today?
Rest. And all that. And seriously guys, kung si Daddy Mike ang maging ang maging personal trainer niyo, anak ko. But I'm very, oh yeah. Magluluto na si Daddy Mike guys, so maybe very maingay ha. Ay, hindi naman ito. yung workout talaga na na-feel ko that was really hard today, guys, was the jump squat. Like, at the end, hindi ko na talaga kaya, guys. Like, seriously, I fell down. Sobrang sakit talaga sa paa, guys, dito, oh. But I'm very lucky, right? Because I know people pay so much money for personal training. And I have my private personal trainer. So I should, you know, I should use him.
Use and abuse.
Yeah. But yeah, I think like the way na si Daddy Mike mag-train is parang ano lang talaga ba, sobrang disiplina lang talaga na pag nag-start na yung time ng training nyo, wala nang mama bear, wala nang mga you're the wife, you're the girlfriend, wala nang mga ganun, guys. Like, you are a client, you are a person that I'm training pag mag-start na yung time. Which is really good, right? Because it's really good discipline, I think. What do you reckon, Daddy?
Yeah, but it's also for me as well because, you know, I'm trying to train with you as well. So if you're like taking a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes.
Why can't you just train yourself while I'm resting?
Because I need you there. I need you there to inspire. No, seriously.
You need me there to inspire you.
Yeah. Like I'm trying to keep us doing it together, you know what I mean? Like as in, when I'm doing it and you're doing it, and then it's stopping and changing, this is better. Rather than sort of me doing something and then you coming and joining 4 minutes later. And plus, you already told me you're only about half an hour.
Yeah. Yeah, but we've done 40 minutes today.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've done 40 minutes, guys, kasi yung break ko sa work is 45 minutes. So, we can do 40 minutes. And bukas, kasi si Paris ay nasa bahay. So, I don't think workout kami bukas.
No.
Kasi gusto namin maglaro with Paris. Hi, Natasha! Say, hi, guys!
Talking Bobby.
Paris eating chips?
What's that?
Say yes.
Yeah, maybe you like it, no? What's Daddy cooking?
Talking broccoli.
Broccoli.
Broccoli!
Hey!
Meat and broccoli. Are you gonna eat broccoli?
Talking broccoli.
It's not your pinok. It's yung mga broccoli.
Potato.
What's that?
Potato.
It's carrots. It's carrots. Say hi sa friends, babe. Hi, friends.
My friend.
Hi, friends. Hi, friends, babe. You're not going to school tomorrow. You're not gonna see Sarah Jane. It means we can sleep in a little bit tomorrow. Kasi pag, guys, pag may childcare sa Paris, pag alas 7, ganyan, gising na. Pero bukas, pwedeng alas 8. Yay!
Wash dishes.
Wash dishes. Do you wanna wash dishes?
Okay.
We'll eat dinner first before we wash dishes, okay? Give them a kiss first. Mwah.
Mommy,
Yes, honey.
eat.
Eat!
Yeah.
Do you wanna eat more?
Darling, was your chip yummy?
Yay!
Mama.
Eat those first. We'll wash dishes after we eat dinner. Kisah si Mama, Kisah lagi si Mama. Kisah si Mama. Kiss Mami. Mommy. Go wash the dishes. Okay. Where's the water? You want milk?
Come on, pretend.
Relax lang ang ating baby girl o kumakain ng orange. Show me your orange, nak, babe. Oh, do you love orange, nak? Do you love orange? Bising-busy siya sa kanyang Peppa Pig. Wow, can you give Mama one? Hi guys! It's now 10 o'clock ng gabi and yes, gising pa kami. Si Baby Paris ay nandito pa naglalaro. But I am going to close our vlog now. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog after namin mag-dinner kanina kasi we spent time sa couch, Paris, Daddy, and I, and we were just watching Paris' show. We are going to bed na. I actually washed my face already and then put some moisturizer in the serum. Si Paris hindi maagang natulog kasi bukas ay Friday so wala siyang childcare. Kaya okay lang na medyo late siyang gumising bukas. Gusto ko lang i-welcome ang ating mga bagong subscribers. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa pag-click nyo ng subscribe button. At super thank you sa lahat ng ating mga subscribers na hindi nagsasawang mag-suporta sa ating channel. Na-appreciate ko kayong lahat. Thank you po talaga. We're going to hit the sack now, guys. So, magsha-shoutout na tayo. The first shoutout goes to Kane Bernales from London, pero silingan na daw mi sa Balingasag. Hello! Shout out to Jubilee Notarte from Cebu, Emilita Menor, Marivic Balcorza from Leyte, Lilia Vibal, Jenaline Balcorza, Bem Morales, and also shout out daw sa kanyang anak na si Justine from North Caloocan. Shout out to Arin Panurel, Renar May Ricahuerta, and also shout out daw sa kanyang ate na si Stephanie May Ricahuerta. Birthday niya daw bukas 21st of August. Happy birthday sa'yo! Shout out to Jovel Makilan, Lynn Ahmad and family. Hello sa inyong lahat. Shout out to Lailani Pitorio from South Cotabato, Vanch Asibar, Mildred Kasha, Vicky Inot, proud taga Bukidnon daw. Hello sa inyo diha mga taga Bukidnon. Shout out to Amethyst Drake, Lisan Bansil. Shout out to Evelyn Villasana Junio from Tagum City. Mailani Rasay, Mylene Divilla. Shout out to Vilma Reyes, Janet Gordon, Joyan's Vlog, Belin Pangilinan, Rosana Mansueto, Feli Toledo, Joy Paragua, Lorna Gonzaga, Rosemary La Rosa, Josephine Rivera. Shout out to Guy from Japan. Shout out to Gina Sangila, Maricel Mabalot, ang saya kahit kailan. Shout out to Mary Ann Caniel Vero, Emily Aliosa Sabico, Saiza Be, Daya Magallanes, Evert Suta 53, Glenda De La Cruz. Shout out to Feli Ilamparo, Dizin Lendawan, Marivic Valcorza, Green Lights, Josephine Rivera, Maricel Torres, Melo Sonia, Mavel Fernandez. Shout out to Evangelina Moral, Merly Corpus, Connie Pascual B, Crystal Bori, Edithel Kadangan, Cherry May Ongayo, Lina de los Santos, Victoria Baptista, Rina Eliza Bitonio from Davao City. Shout out to Helen Abiertas, Hilas Ka, Joyce Tijoso, Niana Castres, Maribel Patiag, Sweetheart Annie, Che Pelo, Joanne Ambe, Rosana Hidalgo, Mylene Franco, Mel A, Lydia Lee Kagalawan, Rosalita Araes, Jonah Rees. Shout out to Be Smart Hair Care Services / Guy Enriquez, Virgie Gabutero, Marjorie Lagmay, Leticia Gakutan, Our Life Australia Philippines. Shout out to Luzvel Giga, Salvacion Miguel, Susing Sales, Mary Jane Subere, Marivic Valcorza, Emelita Menor, and Vivian Bayona. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. Don't forget to hit the bell button as well, guys, para always kayong notified sa ating mga bagong videos. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.
fly! Mwah.